Hello, friends. The world is changing fast, and so are sectors like artificial intelligence, clean energy, tech manufacturing, and shifting global alliances. From China's new industrial push to UAE's AI Africa push, big structural changes are underway. Considering the dynamic economic, political, social, and technological developments, I try to keep abreast with the latest developments in these sectors. I will touch upon issues which may be of interest for the investors and how one can spot long term opportunities in them. So, what are the shuttle developments happening globally? China is pivoting towards artificial intelligence, clean energy, advanced manufacturing, and interestingly, United Arab Emirates plans to invest billions in AI infrastructure in Africa. Global tech supply chains are being restructured. This is not a short term trend. In fact, it is a core economic restructuring. How will this affect global economy and India? With global supply chain reorientation, demand for raw materials, metals, semiconductors, energy resources will rise. India can benefit via export of services, IT, and an alternate manufacturing hub. Therefore, I'm keenly watching sectors like tech focused ETFs, global AI funds, renewable energy, metal, mining, semiconductor related stocks, export oriented Indian companies are smart picks after doing due diligence and keeping investment horizon as mid to long term. Now, what are the risks and how one can remain safe from them? There is a huge concern building around tech bubbles, regulatory risk, geopolitical risks, currency risks are few of them. And I am diversifying, staying mid to long term, and I'm avoiding over leveraging for sure. Therefore, essentially, I'm believing in Vision 2030 and I'm investing early, but at the same time, I'm thinking globally as well. Do subscribe for deeper dives on AI, economy, links, and long term wealth building. Thank you.